The final step is targeting your consumers, and here are the main options available. The first type is core audiences, which represent the primary groups responsible for most of your engagement and conversions. These audiences are essentially the heart of your marketing efforts. Next are custom audiences, which include individuals who are already familiar with and loyal to your brand. They offer significant insights into your Facebook market. A classic example of custom audiences is your customer list or CRM data. If you have a CRM system for your business, you should utilize that data to build and refine your custom audiences. Finally, lookalike audiences are those who share some characteristics with your core audience, but also extend into other markets. For example, if you upload your customer list to Facebook through a CSV file, Facebook will use this data to find new users who resemble your current customers. The platform analyzes profile information and engagement patterns to find people with similar attributes. Essential data points for creating lookalike audiences include first name, last name, email, phone number, city, country, and possibly zip code. If you have a substantial number of customers in a specific location, like Indianapolis, Indiana, Facebook will use this information to identify and target similar individuals in that area. The algorithm looks for similarities in geographic location, interests, and other profile data to find potential new customers. Lookalike audiences can be incredibly effective because they leverage your first-party data, which is data you collect yourself, to find new customers who match your existing ones. This approach is highly valuable because it uses unique data that you control, making your advertising more targeted and effective. The more data you can provide, the better your advertising outcomes will be. Understanding the psychology behind Facebook is key to grasping why it captivates so many people. Social media, including Facebook, triggers a release of dopamine, the pleasure chemical in the brain. This reaction is similar to what occurs with activities like eating and other enjoyable experiences. This dopamine release helps explain why these platforms are so compelling and why they integrate so seamlessly into our daily lives. Facebook, like other social media platforms, taps into various levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Self-actualization. This includes aspects like creativity, problem-solving, and personal growth, which can be fulfilled through the sharing of ideas and achievements on Facebook. Esteem needs. Facebook provides opportunities for boosting self-esteem and confidence through likes, comments, and recognition. Love and belonging. Social media facilitates connections with friends and family, helping users feel part of a community and maintain relationships. Safety and security. Users can share details about their employment and personal lives, seeking a sense of stability and community. Physiological needs. While not as directly related, the platform can impact basic needs indirectly through its influence on daily routines and interactions. The psychological effects of using Facebook can vary. Some people experience positive feelings from new followers or engaging posts, while others may feel anxious or stressed if they focus too much on their social media presence. So, with all these psychological factors in mind, let's shift to Facebook marketing and the rise of social ads. In 2007, Facebook introduced its advertising platform. This marked a pivotal moment, as it was the first time marketers could directly engage with potential customers and influence conversions through social media. This development made social ads a central tool in digital marketing, turning what was once a rare practice into a common strategy. Facebook ads represent a revolutionary shift in online advertising. For the past 100 years, media has primarily been a one-way broadcast to audiences. However, with the advent of Facebook ads, marketers are now actively participating in conversations with potential customers. This announcement, while made quite some time ago, marked the beginning of a significant evolution in how advertising interacts with audiences. Before we move on, I'd like to read this quote from Mark Zuckerberg saying, "Facebook ads represent a completely new way of advertising online. For the last 100 years, media has been pushed out to people, but now marketers are going to be a part of the conversation." Here are some Facebook marketing tools at your disposal. Newsfeed. This is the most common and effective place to market on Facebook. If you're running ads, placing them in the newsfeed is highly recommended. Historically, it has the widest reach and is supported by Facebook's main algorithm, which is content-focused and tailored to user interests. Boost. This is a simplified advertising option on Facebook. It's designed for users who might not be familiar with Facebook Ads Manager. By using the Boost function, you can quickly promote posts to engage with your existing followers or reach new audiences. Booking tools. These tools, which you can enable in the settings, help manage appointment scheduling and bookings directly through Facebook. Metrics. Data is crucial for making informed decisions with reporting. Metrics. Data is crucial for making informed decisions with reporting. Here's a quick recap on Facebook Insights and metrics, including their application across other social media platforms. Clicks. Measures the number of times an ad is clicked. High click counts suggest the ad is engaging or resonating well, whether due to the visual elements or copy. Click conversion rate. The percentage of clicks that result in conversions. This metric helps gauge how effectively clicks are translating into desired actions. Click-through rate, CTR. The ratio of clicks to total impressions. It shows the percentage of people who click on the ad after seeing it, indicating its effectiveness in prompting action. Impressions. The number of times an ad is displayed, regardless of clicks. This helps measure the reach of your ad. Audience engagement is the level of attention, interaction, and involvement that an audience has with a brand, content, or presentation, especially in online environments. It goes beyond simply viewing or consuming content. True engagement is measured by actions such as comments, shares, likes, downloads, and other forms of feedback that indicate viewers are captivated rather than passively scrolling. Cost. Per conversion. How much you spend to achieve a conversion. Useful for understanding the efficiency of your ad spend. Cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM. The cost to display your ad 1,000 times. It helps in budgeting and evaluating the cost effectiveness of your ads. Engagement rate, the rate at which impressions turn into interactions, likes, comments, shares. It provides insights into how well your ad or post is engaging your audience. Demographics, breakdown of who is viewing your ads, including age, gender, location, etc. This allows for targeted adjustments based on audience composition. These metrics are not unique to Facebook. They're common across other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Understanding and analyzing these metrics helps in fine-tuning your marketing strategies and improving your ad performance across various platforms. Here's a breakdown of advertising audience demographics and their implications for marketing strategies. Audience demographics on Facebook, Millennials, and Gen Z. These groups still dominate the active Facebook user base. However, there's a notable increase in baby boomers using the platform, indicating a shift towards an older demographic. For effective marketing, it's crucial to be aware of this demographic shift. Understanding that Facebook's user base is aging can help tailor campaigns to engage the most valuable consumers. The largest age groups on Facebook are between 18 and 44. This suggests that marketing efforts should focus on this range to effectively reach the majority of users. For younger demographics, many of you might prefer Instagram over Facebook. Instagram tends to attract a younger audience, but older users are also becoming more active on the platform. Great marketers integrate data from various sources, including social media, website analytics, and customer information. By leveraging this data and understanding the nuances of different platforms, you can tailor your marketing strategies to effectively reach and engage with your target audiences.